It's time to learn with Finn and Pip. Look at that, Pip. A silver star shaped just like the letter S. It's so shiny and curvy, Finn. It feels smooth and cool, just like a piece of space silver. S makes the S sound, like a quiet space hiss. Let's take this S to the biggest slide in the galaxy. I'm ready for a supersonic slide. Look at this Saturn slide. It's shaped like a giant S.
Can we slide down it, Finn? Please?
Brr! The S slide is slippery and cold. Slippery slide. Hear that S sound, Pip? That was fast. Now we need to suit up for the moon.
A spacesuit? That starts with S too.
It sure does. Let's go to the moon. Time to put on our super spacesuits. I look like a big silver marshmallow. Listen to that snap. Snap!
Smooth and strong. Suit starts with S.
S is for space, but look! Something new is over there.
It looks like a giant letter T.
This is our terrific telescope. T is for telescope. Haunted you. I can see so many stars through here.
The dial goes tick, tick, tick. That's the T sound.
T, telescope. T makes a crisp tapping sound.
Look through the lens. Do you see that tall tower? I want to see the top of the tower. The tall tower is made of T-blocks. It's so high! It touches the top of the sky! These blocks are tough and thick. TT tough.
1T, 2T, 3T. T is everywhere.
Let's go inside for a tiny treat.
I wonder what is inside. Is it another P treasure?
Look, Pip. Tasty tomatoes that look like moons.
They look so tangy and sweet.
It feels soft and squishy. TT tasty.
T is for tomato and also for tip of my nose. Let's find our S and T items and put them together.
S and T together? That's a super team.
We have our S star and our T telescope. They look so different, but they both belong in space. Wow. S is curvy like a snake. T is straight like a tree.
And 2. TS and T.
Look! A super satellite is coming to help us.
It has both letters on it.
This is the super satellite.
S and T work together here. I'm helping fly the ship. I'm helping fly the ship.
Helping the ship. That's the speed lever. Speed starts with S.
S for star. T for telescope. We found them both.
Our space trip is almost over. Let's head back. Goodbye, space. It was super. We're home. What a super trip. I'm a tired traveler, Finn. This blanket is soft. S is for soft. And T. Good night, letters.
See you next time for our next big adventure.
Sweet dreams.
Wow, we learned so much today. If you had fun with us, click that big red subscribe button right there. And please ring the little bell too. That way, you'll always know when our next adventure begins. Bye-bye!